What's up, mama? Hey, are you considering beginning to offer solid foods to your little one, but maybe you're feeling a little bit scared or overwhelmed about what to do versus what not to do? Hey, I get it, you're completely not alone, and this video series is designed to help give you some clarity on the basics. So today we're gonna be covering why your high chair is so very important, and that's coming up. Hey there, welcome back to Kids OT Help. If you're new, my name is Nicole. I'm a mommy, I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, as well as a certified lactation consultant. And my goal is to just help make motherhood easier on you by sharing information that's going to really help you understand and serve your child's developmental needs. So consider subscribing for weekly helpful tips. So let's break down 3 critical reasons why your little one's seating is so important. So the first major reason why seating is so important is because of comfort. And really, we take for granted comfort during mealtime as adults because if we're not comfortable, we're probably not going to sit for that long to enjoy our meal. And I like to give the example of, imagine that you got invited to eat a 5-course meal, but the caveat was that you had to sit on a bar stool for the entire time. And a 5-course meal goes, an hour, 2 hours, maybe even 3 if you're a super slow eater like myself. And we would get tired, right? Like if you didn't have anywhere to place your feet on that bar stool, you would be seeking stability. We would be like leaning over on the bar or maybe trying to put our feet up on a wall, like whatever we could find. Our back would get tired from trying to sit upright for a long period of time that we're not used to sitting for. Now, the same is going to be true for our little ones. They are just now developing the strength in their tummy muscles and their back muscles to actually sit up. And so it's new for us to ask them to sit still for 15, 20 minutes and then try and eat. So we want to make sure that our baby is comfortable, which is a perfect segue into the second reason why seating is important, and that's for support. So if we're expecting our little ones to build the endurance and the strength to sit for an entire meal, and practice the skills of picking food up and bringing it to their mouth, we really need to give them support. As I mentioned before, this is a brand new task that they're doing. They have just probably developed the muscle strength to even get into the upright position. So again, we want to make sure that they're not fatiguing halfway through their meal, because what happens is if they're fatiguing halfway through their meal, they're not going to be able to refine those fine motor skills using their fingers to pick up the pieces of food and to bring it to their mouth. Hello, my friend. I hope you're getting value from this video. And if you are, can you please do me a big favor and give me a thumbs up? Thank you so much. You're seriously the best. Back to it. And the final reason why your little one's seating is so important is because they need to be positioned properly. Now, in order to get the comfort and the support that we talked about earlier, your little one needs to be positioned properly in their high chair or seating arrangement. Now, I dive into this much deeper in my Foundations for Feeding course, and if you're interested in learning more about that, there's a link for that in the description box below. But essentially what we want is our baby to be positioned at 90 degrees at the hips, 90 degrees at the knees, and 90 degrees at the ankles. These angles are going to provide the stability that your little one needs to sit and build the endurance for an entire mealtime sitting, as well as giving them the best chance to maintain a safe position while practicing a new skill of bringing food to their mouth and managing it and safely swallowing it. All right, mama, so we've covered just one important component of getting your little one off to a great start with solid foods. There are certainly other components that you should know, which is why I created this series. So why don't you just head on over here and click the next video in the series, and I will catch you there. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.